According to O'Reilly.com, package design is the connection of form, structure, material, color, imagery, typography, and regular information with ancillary design elements to make a product suitable for marketing. This video, I'm going to show you from beginning to the end, like from scratch to the end, how I designed this package design using my smartphone. So you're going to need a previous package design, like already package design, so that will take a measurement. So I'm going to use this syrup, a package design, a piece cuff. So you need A4 paper, your pencil, your ruler, and your eraser. So that's my A4 paper there, my pencil and my eraser. So I'll straighten it. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll tear up this package, so I'll take the measurement, I'll take the drawing. Although it's not going to look exactly like what I'm drawing here, but from this concept, I will be able to forge out my own concept from inside. So you watch carefully how I'm going to draw it. So this is it. I've finished drawing it. After the drawing, you open your PixelLab. Now that you've opened your PixelLab, you have to go delete the new text as usual. You go to image, there's background tab there. Then from gallery, you insert the image. That's a sketch A4 paper image now. So you're going to see the way I'm going to insert it. So you do the necessary cropping like I'm doing it. So after, you see how the image is now. So the next thing, you bring out your grid line. That is your ruler, your grid line, and in the PixelLab there, you bring it out. Then you arrange it the way I'm doing it on the screen. I'm following the drawing I've done, so I'm going to arrange it that way. So you follow it, you do similar thing. So don't forget to subscribe to our Sign Graphic on YouTube. Don't forget to like the video. If you like the idea, you can share it with your friends and family. That would be very helpful. So you watch it carefully the way you see me arranging the grid. There, you arrange it carefully. You see me as I'm arranging my own, very careful. You can like, subscribe to the channel. If you like the idea, you can share it to your friends and family. You share the video with them through your social media platform. You can share my video on your WhatsApp or Facebook also. So you carefully arrange it same way I'm doing it. You arrange your grid, that's your ruler, your lines, you arrange them very carefully like that. So after that arrangement, what we are going to do now is, see, have we gotten all the arrangement? Yeah. Then you go to, you insert a shape, a square shape. So you crop and arrange the square shape exactly the way I'm doing it on the screen. So you watch carefully. You know, normally you change the color to any color you want. So, but I just want to mark this thing out and work it the way. So I'm going to change the color like that. So you watch carefully, see, watch and arrange it exactly the way I'm doing it on the screen. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any updates on my channel. So like my previous video, I say I'll be uploading video on Sundays. I'll be uploading not just Sunday. I'll be uploading in a weekday. I'll upload one, but on Sunday is a definite day I'm going to upload. I will upload it on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. So you see exactly the way I'm doing it on the screen. Make that arrangement. After that, you go to the background. You just change, like you have to be creative. So you just watch. I'm just trying to tell you that with PixelLab you can make anything. So you watch carefully the way I'm doing this thing on the screen. You follow the step. If you mix any step, you can always rewind the video to get it right. So you do it like that, make the arrangement. Like what I'm trying to show you in this video is that trying to show you that you can actually design anything with your PixelLab, that is using your smartphone PixelLab, and print it as well. So this is a package designed and printed with a smartphone. So many people have been asking, how do you print from PixelLab? In this video you watch exactly how you do your file and you print. So after that, you make this arrangement like this. The next thing you're going to do is forget this screen size setting now. Just forget the screen size setting. You just have to make this arrangement right. Forget the setting I just made. Don't do that. The one is just to try to get whatever thing you are doing. You get it. See how it is. You arrange it like this. See exactly how it is. Make sure you complete the package design like it's remaining the top of the cover. I'm going to insert a shape again. This is the shape I'm going to use for that. Okay, I'll use this shape and I'll crop. After that cropping, you make a copy, you hide one of the copy. Hide this, then you merge it. Make it a full object, you hide and you merge. So that thing has become a full object. I can crop and arrange it now. You use your zoom button to zoom and see what you're designing. So if you know how to make this design, make the design. But for you to get exactly what I'm doing, you have to watch the video carefully from beginning till end. You have to watch it from beginning till end. If you skip the video, you may not understand this thing. You are skipping this video, you may not understand this thing I'm doing. So see what I'm trying to do with that shape now. As the clip cover, you want that hook, the package design together. As you saw it from the beginning of the video, how it looked like. So I'm going to design this thing with PixelLab and print it in the video here. Yeah, so you have to watch the video till end. You see every process from the sketching to the printing, to the design, to the printing. You see every step of involved in this package design. So make adjustment to any of the shape you're using. I'm going to make a copy of that shape again so that I use it to cover the second side. Like I said earlier, I said what I'm drawing is going to be different and what I'm going to do is going to be different because I just want to use that package design to get a concept from it. So you see, no matter what, like no matter any design you're making, any kind of design you're making, somebody or somewhere has already made that design. So what you will do is that you just, from that, looking at that design, you can be creative, you can create other things out. So that is why I use that piece of package design for this video. So I'm going to make a copy of that. Place the copy. Now you rotate that. So you see how it is, see how our design is now. Now I want to start making, see how the package design is. Now I want to start making design on it, like I want to include text and any other design you've seen on it. But before you do that, always remember to adjust your shapes. Make sure they are in the right position. Then you select them one by one and change their color. So I'm going to be using the gradient color for this package design. So if you know how to apply gradient color before, you know what to do. Or if you don't, you watch the video carefully so that you understand how to apply a gradient color. So I'm going to use a gradient color on this package design. So you watch carefully. I'm going to put this color now. So you watch carefully how I'm going to make the design. So if you know how to make design, any design at all, it's beautiful. So okay, now I've succeeded in adding color to all my shape. Now what I'm going to do next, I'll just change the background color to any color so that it won't disturb my design. So I'll look for any color, any odd color at all, so that I'll make changes. You discover I've removed that sketch up. Yeah, I have to remove it because it will affect my design if it's there, to affect my adjustment, because I'm not using that one, but it gives me the idea of how to make this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my text and other design. That is what I'm going to be doing next. Now I'll be adding text and other design. You see, this is the package design. Showing you something with my video, with the video on YouTube. I'm going to make this design, then make a duplicate and put it on the other page. So next thing I'm going to do, I'll just make a duplicate, leave it on the other page like this, like you see. So this is how they are. So after I've done that, I'll save this work as project. I'll save it as project. First of all, I'll save it as project. And again, after saving it as project, I'm going to save it as image. I will make the background transparent. So remember to save the work as PNG with a transparent background like that. Use ultra quality. I'll save it as image. Now you see, this is the size of A4 paper, the weight and the size. So I'm going to come back to background size setting. Size, and I'm going to use that weight and size you just see there. So if you didn't get it, you can wind back the video and see it. So the weight is 210, while the height is 297. Height is 297. 297. Oh, my network. The height is 297. So now that I've gotten the size of the A4 paper now we'll go and then insert a new image. Delete that new text there, then you insert a new image. You can change the background to a white background also. So after you change the background to a white background, the next thing you are going to do, you go to import, and you import the image you just save without background, with transparent background. This is the image. So I'm bringing it to the A4 paper now because I want to prepare it and print it, so you watch the video carefully. So I will just adjust the size like this, the way you see me doing it on the screen, but the color are the same. That is the color of the cover, they are similar. So but just watch carefully the way I will do it. Let me see if I can use it like this. No, I don't think so. It will be possible. So I will turn it back to the way it is before. I can't use it like this, it's not possible. So I'm just going to rotate it back the way it is. And the next thing, I'll go to stroke. I'll enable stroke and select the dark stroke. The dark stroke. Make sure the stroke weight is 2 or 1, but I'm using 2. That's if I'm cutting the package design, I'll follow the stroke color. So I've done that. You see, now place the design on the A4 paper size background like this. This is the background size. You know, you saw it when I changed the background size. So again, whatever thing you are doing, you always remember to save your work as. Okay, I'm saving it direct now because I want to go for printing. But always remember to save your work as project before any further editing. Now you're going to open this application. Call the application PDF converter. You go to your mobile phone, you open this application PDF converter. That's the app. You open the application. It's available on Play Store. So, and the link is also in the video description. Then you select that work you just did. You just save now. The one you save with the A4 paper size. Select it. Convert the work. It's an image. You select the image, then you convert it to PDF. So you select the high quality of the PDF, then you convert. You can change the name before you convert. You can save file as, that is the name of the file, so that you remember the name of the file whenever you go in for printing. So I'm going to put any name. I'll be using package design as the name of the file. So that's it. I'll use package design. I'll save the work. Wow, now the work is saved. There is a PDF file is created. So the name, the application, the link will be in the video description, and also it's available on Play Store. You can just search for it. So this is the package design. The PDF now is saved in my device. Now let me open it and see. So there's the work there. So the next place now I'll take it to my printer. No, not my printer. I'll take it out somewhere where they print it, because I don't have a printer. Just told the guy to print it on hard cover, like carbon paper size before you got it now. It's printed. Now I'll bring it, cut. This is a cutting process. I'll cut out. Use that stroke line I put before printing. I'll cut it out. So after I cut it, I'll fold it. You'll see now. So that is how I got to design this package design with my smartphone with PixelLab. So if there is any question, my WhatsApp number is always available in the video description and on the screen also for you to ask. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the idea, you can share it with anybody, your friends and family. Thank you so much.